All right, here we go. 10.5, Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem can only be used with right triangles. Okay, and a right triangle is a triangle that has one angle that is one right angle or 90 degrees. Okay, boom. Those are all examples of right angles, also known as right triangles. Okay, there are some vocabulary that you need to know. Leg or legs. Those are the sides that create the right angle. The legs form the 90-degree angle. I was going to draw a picture, but. And the side opposite the right angle the right angle is called your hypotenuse. Let's try to draw that. I'll show you here, over here. This is the side opposite. I want a different color. Side opposite the right angle. Side opposite the right angle. The side opposite the right angle. Hypotenuse. Legs form the right angle. The side opposite the right angle is called your hypotenuse. The legs are sides A or B. They are interchangeable. A or B or A. And the hypotenuse is side C. Let that soak in a little bit, marinate, if I say. You do what that means? I'm asking?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Good. Let me ask you, what side is this right there? A, B, or C?
That's C.
Okay. What side is this?
A or B.
A or B? This one is?
A or B.
Good. Faye Stevenson, what side is this?
A or B.
What side is this?
A or B.
And what side is this?
C.
How do you know it's C?
Because it's opposite the right.
It's opposite the right angle. Perfect. Okay, now, the Pythagorean theorem, I'm sure you've heard before. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We need to find that distance right there. I'm going to tell you how tough it is. You take the value of that, plug it in here, take the value of this, plug it in here, and then solve for, I shouldn't put X there, I mean I guess I could, but it's going to be, what side is X?
C. No.
A or B.
A or B, okay. So, in for A, what do you want to put there? 8. So we say 8 squared plus B squared equals 10 squared. I'll stop right there. Make sure that you understand what we're doing. We're trying to find the length in centimeters. So class, what's 8 squared? 64 plus B squared equals 100. Okay, we are trying to solve or find B. So let's get rid of a positive 64. Subtract 64. Subtract 64. Gone, gone. What is 100 minus 64? 36. We're done. No.
It's still square.
Oh, I said we need to find B, not B squared. How do I get rid of that squared term? Square root, both sides, very nice. Square root, square root. So what is my answer to this first problem? Not 6. 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. If they put a unit on the picture or the problem, please put a unit in your answer. Tim Colsey on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being easy and 10 being difficult, what would that be?
Like 7, maybe.
7, okay. All right. All right. This is when you get one that's a whole number for an answer. Let me give you an example that you need to round to the nearest 100th for me, okay? Hang on a second, that's not right. Also, if I'm going to add something back here 2 pages ago, the hypotenuse is always your longest length, okay? Your hypotenuse is always the longest length of a triangle. And what triangles are we using today, Mr. Huffman?
Wait. Hypotenuse triangle?
Oh, it's a
Right angle?
Right triangles. Good. Alrighty. So the first thing I gotta do, folks, to be honest with you, is I gotta rewrite the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, what values are given? 16 and 12. And what sides are those? A and B. A and what? A and C. We're given A and C. Okay? So I'm going to say A squared plus, what's my B value? 12. What's my C value? 16. So rewrite it. Class, what is 12 squared? 144. 16 squared? 256. Next step, subtract from both sides. Gone, gone. A squared. Class, what is 256 minus 144? Say again? 112. Okay, how do you get A by itself? Square root both sides. And then round your answer to the nearest 100th. How many people have the answer of 10.58? Okay, who didn't get 10.58?
My answer is straight to 11. Like, I did the square root of 112 and it went straight to 11.
Somebody. Beautiful. Oh, no, not 10.6. That's rounded to the 10th spot. We want it rounded to the hundredths. That's 2 places back. Okay, questions so far? Okay? Um,